Hey, it's Adrian, and if you want great sound but with style, you're going to want to check out Roseselsa's Distant Mountain on-ear wired headphones. These have a cool retro look and great build quality. There's genuine lambskin leather wrapped around an adjustable headband. There's 40mm drivers. They have a braided cable with MMCX connectors. There's a built-in microphone, plus they're super comfy with these sponge ear pads that can also be swapped out. And you'll never hear the dreaded low battery please charge while you're listening to these, since these are fully wired. So let's take a closer look at the Roseselsa Distant Mountain on-ear headphones to see if this could be your very next pair, and a big thanks to Roseselsa for sending these out for review. In the box, we have the Roseselsa Distant Mounting headphones, headphone cable, manual. There's also a stand that you can assemble and additional ear pads. The design on the Distant Mountain headphones are just standout. These look so beautiful in this retro type of design. Now, it also comes in a black color, but I think the brown looks, much better than that. But let me know what you guys think down below. In terms of weight, it comes in at around 122 grams or 0.27 pounds. Now, note that I did swap one of the sponge ear pads, so you can see these are the two different sizes, or styles I should say. So one solid one and then one with this cutout in the middle here, and the colors are a little bit different. So this one's a lighter color and this is a darker color. Now we also have 40mm drivers on here, and we have a perforated metal grill as well. There's a stainless steel band, and this is wrapped in genuine lambskin leather. And then we also have adjustments on the side here. And we do have some kind of hard stops along there, so you can, exactly match the adjustment right and left side. We also have these type of brass or, kind of gold colored accent or element pieces. So this is stamped with left, and then on the other side, of course, it says right. We also have the Roseselsa logo along with the Distant Mounting writing. And then if we take a side view, this is what it looks like. So yeah, just really beautiful all the way around. You can also see we have these type of concentric circles in the middle here. Just a high level of detail pretty much anywhere you look. And we do have the connector ports for the headphone cable. And note that there's no type of Bluetooth or any wireless functionality with these, so you will be using this cable here. We have the two connector ends and then the 3.5mm headphone jack. So you can plug this into, a computer, laptop. And if you plan on using this with a smartphone, this also does come with a dongle. I didn't get that package, but you can always buy that if you want, or use your own dongle if you already have one. And the cable is a braided cable around 3.9 feet or about 1.2 meters. And I'm happy to see that they're using a detachable cable. That way, if the cable gets damaged or broken, you can easily replace it. There's also a built-in microphone and button controls. Here's a quick look at the specs. Feel free to pause and review or jump ahead to the next section. Alright, let's talk sound. And I was really happy with the sound coming out of these, considering they're on-ear headphones. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there's no equalizer, there's nothing to play with. You just plug it into your device and you're ready to go. So I'm using a Sony Xperia phone that has a headphone jack, and these sounded pretty good with that. Now, you do have the option to just buy like a DAC to get even, more power pushed through these if you like. And then if you have a newer phone that doesn't have a headphone jack, you'd have to use just like a basic USB Type-C to headphone jack converter. And I'll leave links to some of those if you're interested. So these sound a little bit more tuned to the bass heavy side of things, not overly so. Now, I did listen to these a lot of the times, I would say at 80% to 100% volume. Now at the 80% or higher volume, bass came through good. You could feel it. It had good thump. There's a good bass decay on here. It doesn't sound too muddy or encroach on the other type of frequencies. Just a good, nice, tight and controlled bass delivery. Vocals and instrumentals also came through remarkably clean and clear on these. There wasn't any type of harshness, any type of piercing noises or sibilance, and you really won't have any type of ear fatigue listening to these for hours at a time. Honestly, I'm surprised at how kind of lively and energetic these sound, and if you listen to a ton of different music, especially music that's like a little bit more bass prominent, you'll enjoy these even more. And even when I listened at the maximum volume, I didn't notice any type of distortion at all. It was just a clean and pleasant listening experience. Here's an example of what the audio sounds like using the built-in microphone. These have been surprisingly comfortable for me, even wearing them for hours at a time. I did see reports online. Some people say they felt like it was kind of like compressing or, kind of exerting too much pressure on the sides of their head. I really didn't find that. I would say, maybe I have a medium to kind of larger size head. I did have other people try these on for about like an hour or so. They didn't report, these feeling uncomfortable at all. So yeah, I find these very comfortable, even though there's not much adjustability like swiveling the ear cups. The only adjustability is in the headband. Now these sponge ear cups, these are also very comfortable for me. I didn't have any issues. You can swap these out for some other ones that come in a box, and they have kind of a hole punch out in the middle of them if you want, but these have been pretty good for me. So the Roseselsa Distant Mountain headphones have been great so far, but there's a couple of things to note if they matter to you. So one is, of course, there's no ANC due to the fitment of these. There's also no Bluetooth, meaning you can only use these wired only. And because there's no Bluetooth, there's no accompanying app to change things like the equalizers or anything like that. But on the plus side, it doesn't have its own battery. It's going to use the battery of your device, so you're never going to hear like, please recharge while you're listening to music, as long as you keep your phone topped up or your laptop, desktop, etc. And if you want to get in a little bit of mobile gaming, well, you're not going to have any type of latency because this is not going through Bluetooth. Since the Distant Mountain headphones are wired only, you're going to need a device like a laptop or a desktop that has a 3.5mm or headphone jack, or a phone like this. Now, if your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, like most don't, you're going to have to use a USB Type-C adapter that has a headphone jack at the end, or a DAC as well. So the Roseselsa Distant Mountain on-ear headphones are beautifully retro, and it's such a joy to put these on every time. Like, these are just so stylish. It's probably one of my favorite pair of headphones to date. The sound is lively on here, and it's tuned well to make listening to most types of music really enjoyable. These have also been pretty comfortable for me, and because they're on-ear headphones, they're not over the ear, especially in like hotter summer weathers where your ears start to sweat. These are less of a problem, and the bonus is you're always kind of aware of your surroundings, especially if you're not having these, kind of cranked to max volume. It's kind of the best of both worlds. It's so nice seeing headphones like these in a world where there's a lot of black and white headphones. I own a lot of those, and to see something unique like this, I really hope Roseselsa, continues down the path of releasing, headphones with a little bit of personality. So if you're interested in picking up the Roseselsa Distant Mountain on-ear headphones, I'm going to leave links down below for you to get your very own. And if you found this video helpful, would you mind liking and subscribing? It really does help me out quite a bit. I also review earbuds, laptops, desktops, gaming keyboards, monitors, mice, really something for everyone, and I really hope you'll join me in my next video soon.